Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here to share with you my September favorites. Now when I was getting my favorite items together, I was realizing that I don't have a lot. I feel like this is like an every month type of thing. I just typically tend to use the same products over and over again. So my monthly favorites don't really vary, but I have tried out a few more things that I wanted to go ahead and share with you. There is one item which maybe won't make sense, but it has definitely become one of my favorite items and I use it all the time. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with that. If you're interested in seeing what this and my other favorites are for the month of September, go ahead and stay tuned. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, tell me your favorites down below, and subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, so my first favorite is very random and it is honestly just this notebook. Maybe not this notebook in particular, but this is the one that I've been using. It's just a Mead notebook, but I have been using this to write down all my ideas for my Inspiring Woman Wednesday series, all the episodes that I want to film for that. I'm planning out my 12 days of Christmas. Just everything is being written down in here, all my notes for everything, and it's just helping me to feel inspired and creative to really get things written down and organized in a way to kind of organize my life, essentially. I guess that doesn't really even make sense, that whole sentence, but basically it's helping me to stay organized, to know what videos I want to film, when I want to have them uploaded, and different things like that. And I feel like it's really helping me to be able to be more creative with my videos. I'm trying my best to do and create videos that I enjoy and videos that hopefully you guys enjoy, and I'm trying to change my setup and find something that works. Literally right now I am sitting in my kitchen and this is just a tiny piece of fabric that I had, and I thought, hey, let's make it into a background because I tried to film a Halloween tutorial and I needed a nice background for that, and that's all this is. It looks so ugly if it's zoomed out, but it works for me right now and I think I kind of like it. I'm just trying to figure out the angle. The lighting I think is better than my original setup in my room when I was sitting in front of my bed, but please tell me down below if you like this setup. I guess for right now this is kind of one of my favorites because I like the green and the sparkles. So that and my notebook, definitely some things that I've been enjoying. Moving into the actual products, I really don't have a lot of makeup products. There's a lot of skincare, some hair care, but I'm gonna go ahead and start with this nail polish. It's what I'm wearing on my nails today. It's kind of chipped off because I've had it on for like 2 weeks, but this is from CND Vinyl. I don't remember if I mentioned this in my August favorites. I got it at BeautyCon and it is their longwear polish in Winter Glow. It's just a very nice soft pink. That's what it looks like, and this lasts so long. This with a top coat, you get so much use out of this polish. These retail for like 10 bucks. I checked them out because I'm in love with the formula and I really want to pick some up, but $10 for one polish, I'm kind of dying inside over that. So I have this one and I have a gray silver kind of glittery one that I got from BeautyCon also, and I've just been loving these, but I love this pale pink. It's super opaque on the first go. I usually do one coat of this, then a coat of top polish from Sally Hansen, and then another coat of this and another coat of top polish, and my nails just look incredible. I'm actually gonna probably redo them today because this one chipped a lot, like the nail tore and it ripped off the polish, but overall I've had this color on for like 2 weeks and it is definitely one of my favorites. The formula is incredible, the color is beautiful. Love these. Plan to pick more up, just have to get over that $10 price tag. Next up, I have some hair care items. This first one's a little random too. This is from Up and Up. It's from Target. It's their brand. Walmart, their Equate brand is also really good. They're very comparable. This is the T Plus Therapeutic Dandruff Shampoo. Not something I talk about a lot, but I do have like really dry scalp and I get a lot of like buildup from shampoos and products that I use, and I get a lot of dandruff and it's not fun at all, and I hate like going around and just scratching my head, but it's not comfortable, and I'd actually run out of this for almost a month. I was just trying to save some money because it's like $5 or $6 for one of these, and from Neutrogena it's like $8 for a bottle of this. So, and actually I feel like the store brand works better than Neutrogena, just a side note. But basically it is a tea gel shampoo and it has some tar and different things in it to really help relieve the itching and the dryness. When I use it regularly, because I use it every time I shower when I have it, it really keeps the dandruff and the flakes and the itching at bay. Actually, a capful of Listerine works really well at keeping the dandruff away also, but it is a lot more harsh on your hair, I feel like. So I definitely love this product. It's one of my favorites. If you struggle with dandruff, I definitely recommend picking this up either from Up and Up or from Walmart, the Equate brand. Like I said, they're about the same price, about $3 to $5 for the large bottle like this, but I've been using it for years and I absolutely love it. I wear black all the time, and when I'm using it regularly, I'm not feeling uncomfortable wearing black because I'm not getting the dandruff and the fallout that I would if I'm not using that shampoo. Continuing on with hair care, I have some things from Eva NYC. I have two. I actually got these. This one was from Ipsy and this one was from my Influenster box. I will leave those videos linked down below. But from Influenster, I have the Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 primer, and it's like a sprayable oil, and I've tried this before. I absolutely love it. I didn't actually even put conditioner in my hair last night. I just used this to spray and kind of detangle. It is 10-in-1. It does so much good things for your hair. It leaves your hair feeling really nice and smooth, and it looks shiny and pretty, and I absolutely love this. I have another backup bottle of this. I've probably gone through 3 or so of these before, just that I've received from like Ipsy and things like that. And then this one, this was my first time trying this particular one. I have tried their leave-in creams before, but this is a Satin Dream leave-in cream with Caravis and argan oil. It detangles, smooths, and moisturizes. So aside from the shampoo, this one right here, these are the only things that I used in my hair after showering last night, and it looks really nice today. These leave my hair looking and feeling healthy. This is not sponsored at all. I absolutely love these products. I'm almost out of both of them. Like I said, I have a backup of this one. I do not have a backup of this, but I would love to get a new one because Eva NYC or Eva NYC, their hair care is just phenomenal, and it really feels healthy and strong and incredible after using it. So definitely recommend those products. Definitely favorites all the time. Love them. Moving on to some skincare, I have this from Juice Beauty. It's the Green Apple Brightening Emulsion. I used this a while back for a long time, and I've kind of stopped. I just recently got back into using it, and it just leaves your face looking and feeling so bright, so fresh. It smells really, really nice, like green apples, and it just, when you put it on your clean face after you've taken off your makeup at night, because I do use it morning and night, I feel like it works better that way. It leaves your skin looking and feeling so radiant and so bright and so refreshed, and it's just full of wonderful ingredients. It's really good for your skin. It's not harsh. It's perfect for sensitive skin. It is incredible. Along with that, I've really been loving from Laneige. This is for all skin, so again, good for sensitive skin if that's what you have. This is their water sleeping mask, and it's kind of like a thick cream, but you put it on at night after you wash your face, go to sleep like that. It's not a mask that you wash off, you leave it on. It's like a gel cream mask, and it feels so good. It feels so soothing. Like, I feel like if you had like a sunburn, then this would look, or not look, this would feel so nice on it because it's just so soothing and so moisturizing. Like, I have super dry skin on like my arms and my legs, and I've put this on that, and it just instantly, it feels so good, and I'm not super dry and scratching myself anymore because it just relieves the dryness. Next up, I have from Skin Fix. It's a natural lemon mint lip repair balm for soft, smooth lips, and it has 40% coconut oil. This is what it looks like. I love lip products. They are my absolute favorite. I cannot stand the feeling of not having anything on my lips. This is like a nice, creamy, jelly lip product. It just feels so good on your lips. It leaves them feeling refreshed and quenched and everything that I want in a lip product, because I cannot stand the feel of dry lips. I need to feel some moisturization on my lips, and this definitely gives that to me. Next up, I have some makeup products. I've only got like 3. One I'm kind of on the fence about, but I wanted to share it with you guys. The first one is what I'm wearing on my lips today. It's from Colourpop. It's a collab that they did with BeautyCon, and it's a lippy stick. Oh, wait, actually, no, this one isn't the one from BeautyCon. The one from BeautyCon is one of my favorites. This one is actually the one that they did with Coffee Break with Danny, and this is in Frida. It's a satin. I don't believe you can find it anymore, but it's just a beautiful, beautiful color. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you guys. And it smells like a caramely white chocolate. It smells good. It looks gorgeous. It is a beautiful shade, and Colourpop lippy sticks, their formula is incredible. Even if you can't pick this color up anymore, I definitely recommend picking up a lippy stick in a color that you enjoy from their site, because they are so soft and so smooth, and they feel so nice, and they look so beautiful. Next up from Too Faced, I have the Perfect Black Too Faced Perfect Eyes Waterproof Liner. This is what that looks like. On this side, it's got like an angled smudgy brush, which I don't actually use that side, but the gel pencil is so soft and so smooth. It doesn't apply super thin, as you can see, so I've only been using it in my tight line and waterline, but the formula is incredible. It lasts a very long time, and I've just really been enjoying this. I actually pulled it out to use for a Halloween tutorial. I needed a black eyeliner, and I pulled this out to use for that, and I've kept it in my makeup collection since, because it's just incredible, and I didn't realize how incredible it was. And last but not least, I have a mascara. I'm not sure how I feel about this. This is from Rimmel, and it's the Wonderfully Real Mascara with Keratin. I feel like I really like it, but I feel like the formula is super, super thick, and I'm not sure how I feel about that. It reminds me of the Benefit Cosmetics Bad Gal Bang, which you guys know I absolutely love. The brush is very similar to that, but the formula itself, you can kind of see it's super thick. I feel like maybe if it dried out a little bit more, I would really like it, but I really like how it elongates and separates my lashes. It just doesn't play well with other mascaras. And if you've been watching me for a while, you know that I typically use 2 to 3 different mascaras. This one's not waterproof. I feel like if it was waterproof, then I would absolutely love it, because I could just wear it by itself and it would be fine. But I need to have waterproof because my eyes water so much, so I have to top it with a waterproof, and it just doesn't really play that well with it. So I'm kind of on the fence about it, but I wanted to mention it, not necessarily as a favorite, just kind of as like, hey, I've been trying this out, not sure how I feel about it, don't hate it but don't love it type of thing. I'll give you guys an update probably for my October favorites to let you know how I've been enjoying it. Hopefully the formula will have dried out a little bit more since then, or up to that point. But yeah, I'm not sure how I feel about it. I like it, I hate it. It's a love-hate relationship, trying to make it work, trying to figure it out. But that is everything that I have to share with you today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Again, please go ahead and share your favorite products for the month of September down below. I would love to hear what they are. Thank you so much for watching and for your support. It means so much to me, and I will talk to you next time. Bye, guys.
Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back, she said shut up and dance with me.